Hello everyone, Gigoran here, and welcome to another devlog. So, I know it hasn't been that long since the last one, but I have quite a bit of stuff to show you that's going on under the hood. So, before I begin, I'd like to introduce you to the pause menu. Super rough, super basic, none of it's stylized yet, it's a means to an end. It's just to get the game, it's a core system I wanted to get done. I'm scared of pause system and UI systems in general because they can be really easy to make inefficient. But this current system I've got, I think, is pretty damn clean. You can see it's stopping time and stuff, and it's only done by one call instead of, while active, spamming constantly. Game devs will know what I'm on about. I'll show you a couple things. The first thing is, there's now one way to quit the game. If you come over, if I press E, it will fade out and then quit the game. I'm not going to do that now because I'll stop my recording, but just believe me, it works. When you guys get to play the game, you'll see. So that's quite nice, I think. That's all self-contained in this single environment because this code is not replicated anywhere else. So kind of felt awful to do, but you know, it's a viable edge case. It's not being used anywhere else, so you can make bespoke code, as far as I'm aware. So yeah, coming over here, we now have each select level. This is wrong. Currently, when you press E, it's going to load the first quote-unquote level. It's nowhere near done, but you can go to that scene. But what would happen when you press E there, it'll open up the level selection box, and you'll be able to pick whichever levels you want from there. So for the time being, it's just going to take you to one level. So we'll give this a press, see what happens. There we go. Nice little fade in, as well as fade out when you load this level. At the bottom right, you'll see the round counter climbing. If you ever see that climbing in my videos, that's because I've decoupled the spawning system, so the match logic gets confused. It doesn't stop. It just keeps going because it says, oh, there's no zombies spawned. Alright, I'll keep going. So what it's doing is it thinks all the zombies are being killed, and then it's bumping the round up after a 2-second grace period, I think. Anyway, yeah, sorry. So this is the Moravian Mine. This is what I'm working on at the moment. There's not a whole lot to see really, but yes, use your imagination. There's going to be this is where I won't tell you yet, a super secret room will be in here. This will open when you activate the steam boiler, which will be pretty sweet. That should be quite difficult. I want to make this quite a tricky game, but I don't know. For balancing reasons, I can't really comment on that. So, okay, enough blabbering. If I press the escape menu now, to open the pause menu, you can see I can return to the hold, quit game, resume. If I press resume, you'll see it just carries on as normal. If I press restart, it'll fade out and load into this level again, and if I press return to the hold, get ready for this. This is what I've been trying to show you for ages now. Hey, the nice door opening sound, and you return to the hold, a nice cozy place. And finally, yet again, I can't show you this because it'll stop the recording, but there is the quit menu here, which will quit you out of the game. You can do that from anywhere. Like if I'm at the mine, for example, you can quit here as well, which is always good. Hold on a minute. Is that UI color wrong? Nope, it's correct. These ones are fake grayed out because there's no point really restarting here because, you know, you don't really progress in here, so that didn't make sense. And return to the hold. Well, you're already at the hold, so that's silly. So that's not there. I'll obviously be adding an options button down here somewhere. So yeah, that's something to look forward to. So I think that's just about it. Nothing really else to report. Let me think. Oh yeah, I have completely rebuilt the interaction logic. So previously it was one big file that did a raycast and said, hey, have you found something? Oh yeah, you have. Okay. What can I do with it? Now my new system is broken up into files, and it uses something called interfaces. This is completely new to me, and I'm really glad I learned about interfaces. Really useful. You basically give it a set of parameters, and a script that is using that interface doesn't care what's happening. It's just going to get called. I'm really tired. I'm giving it a bad example. I'm going to stop right now. But yeah, if you're programming and you need some in Unity, and you need some kind of interaction system, look at interfaces. You'll thank me later. It's absolute godsend. I got that from I want to say Coding Diner or Dapper Diner. He did a great video on it anyway. Regardless, I am name calling. I am talking rubbish. I'm gonna stop the video here. Thanks so much for watching. Yeah, I love you all. Bye.